Hey, what's good, everybody? It's your boy Rob back with another video. Now, I have here in front of me my new YouTube camera that I'm going to be using going forward. Right now, I have the Canon EOS R6 V. I pre-ordered this, and I'm pretty excited about it. I haven't been used a Canon since the Canon M50 about maybe 2019, 2020 when I used it at CES. Enough of that. Let's unbox it. Pretty nice sized box. Got your paperwork, books and stuff. Nothing really special about that. All right, nice little pouch here. Okay, I'm assuming for my camera lens that came with this. All right, nice touch. Canon's new battery tech, the LPE6P. You get way longer battery life with this particular model of batteries. All right. Nice little charging brick for your battery. It's cool. Got the strap. I'm not going to use this. I'm going to pretty much keep this in the box, keep it looking like new. Oh boy. The new 20. Oh, nice. The new Canon 20 to 50 f4 power zoom. Canon glass is very expensive, so have to be very wary of that. And the star of the show, the EOS R6 V. This is really nice. Oh, this is nice. Look at this. Feels nice. I haven't had used a Canon, like I said, in about maybe 5 or 6 years. And I'm looking forward to using this. Price-wise, body only is somewhere around like $2,500, right around that price, $24.95, $25. I'm quite sure somebody's going to correct me. Canon colors has always been great. Nice articulating screen. It does not have the cinema menu on this, so that's kind of somewhat disappointing. But it do have, I think it's got 7 programmable buttons. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 7. It's real nice. I'm looking forward to relearning Canon. Now, I'm not a camera channel. First off, let me start off by saying that. So if you looking for tips and tricks and what have you, I will be looking for tips and tricks also. So I'm not going to be the one to come to for those type of things. I just wanted to unbox it and briefly just talk about it and add to the content that's already out there for people who are picking up this. This came early, and I'm going to have fun checking out some of my favorite creators and getting to know how to take full advantage of this particular camera. This is going to be fun. Does have the manual and power zoom button right here. Got the button, programmable button, autofocus, manual focus, IBIS. This can take pictures, but it's not the main function of it is to take pictures. But if in a pinch, if you want to take pictures, I'm quite sure as a content creator, you can probably get some pretty good thumbnails with this. And I'm going to have fun using this. But just wanted to let you know, did an unboxing. Hold up. Well, before I go, let's check out some things. On the side, you got your mic and your earphones, headphone button. Sorry. Got your HDMI. HDMI openings right there, connection, and a USB-C. Also on the sides right here, it does take CF Express Type B card, and you can put a SD card in. I would recommend a V90. Those are pretty fast and capable SD cards. That's pretty much it. So that's pretty much it. I just wanted to do an unboxing, let you guys see what I picked up. Again, this is not for everybody. This is something I wouldn't recommend off the top unless you have the budget for it. But again, that pretty much does it for this unboxing. If you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe. Other than that, thanks for watching, and I'll catch everybody else in the next video. I'm out.